guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy Brise or the Bitgert token on your Metamask. First of all, once you've logged on to PancakeSwap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down till you get to the About section of the page. And once on the About section of the page, we're introduced to its Ethereum address or contract address, where you simply click on this copy here, minimize and open up your Metamask. And once your Metamask is opened up, make sure we're on the Ethereum main network. As you can see, that's where we are currently, the Ethereum main network. You simply click on it and then simply click on import token and switch over to custom tokens, and then paste the contract address we just copied, which is for the Brise token. And once it's accepted, or you can simply put in this information, Brise, and the decimal is 9. Yeah. Simply click on import. And here we go, Brise on the Ethereum network. And it's not. And then we simply move over to the web page, the web section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and log on to uniswap.org, where we can simply swap our Ethereum into the Brise. So in the space for select token, you could either search for the Brise or still paste the contract address we just copied. So let's simply paste this contract address again. Paste. And here we go, Brise, Bitgert. Click on I understand. Give it some time to stimulate the coin, and then simply enter the amount of Ethereum you're willing to purchase this token for. 0.04, $7 worth of the Brise token is giving us 38,000 of it. And as you can see, it costs $7 for gas fees. Now, if you're looking to avoid such extreme amounts for gas fees, you simply minimize and open up KuCoin. You download the app, and once the app is installed, make sure you use our link in the description of this video, which is going to be giving you 3,200 USDT welcome bonuses just by using our link to register and verify your account. Now, once that's done, the next step would be to head over to the trade icon, which is at the bottom of the screen here, the middle part here. Once there, you simply click on Volt/USDT and search for Brise, and click on Brise USDT. And in the space provided for volume, you put in amount, that's 7.48, which is giving us 34,233 of the 34 million of the Brise token. You simply click on Buy Brise, and before you do any of that, you'd need to deposit some cryptocurrency assets, mostly USDT. If you have any other assets, you could as well as convert them into USDT. So once your trade is done here, the Brise would be taken to your assets and funding. You'd find it on your funding here, where you simply click on withdraw and search for Brise. Here we go, Brise. And now we're going to be pasting our wallet address, which we're going to be getting from Metamask. And once there, click on Bitgerts, click on receive, and proceed to copy your wallet address. Copy, minimize, open up KuCoin, paste, and multiple networks preselect one. We're going with the Brise network itself. Brise ERC20, and then you simply put in the amount and then click on withdraw, and your Brise would be deposited directly on your Metamask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can buy the Brise on Metamask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.